Hi friends, welcome to the Global Intellectuals Union. My name is Veera Raghavaya. Nowadays, people in India are giving too much importance for horoscope, and they are going very crazy. I am not criticizing this astrology or horoscope checking, but the problem is people are giving over importance and they are not using it correct way. The reason being, okay, so first of all, the horoscope or this astrology, right, was originally produced by, the science was produced by great sages like Parashara and Jaimini Maharshi, and later some great people like Varaha Mihira did some contributions to these already present texts. But what happened, we right now don't have many of the original texts, so a lot of them have been lost, and so whatever science we have right now itself is already somewhat deficient. We don't have complete information on astrology, and whatever little we have, when it goes to the interpretation by the astrologers, again there is a second problem, because these astrologers fail to interpret the horoscope correctly. I will give you an example. For example, there is this dosha called Mangalik dosha or Kuja dosha. Okay, so almost 50% of the people have this dosha, right? So when actually originally this Kuja dosha or Mangalik dosha represents the character of a person. Like the people with this particular dosha have more liking for land, okay, and they are very a little aggressive people, in the sense they actually are having very strong determination. If they want to do something, they will not sleep until completing that. So it basically determines the character of a person, okay. It may determine other things also, but predominantly it tells the character of a person in one particular aspect, okay. When you go to an astrologer, he directly nowadays says that, okay, this particular person is having Mangalik dosha, and so should be married only to a person with Mangalik dosha. So otherwise the marriage is not compatible. Okay, I will give an analogy. For example, you go to a doctor for headache, okay. What if he directly prescribes only aspirin for several months without treating the underlying disease? Okay, this is the similar kind of problem, okay. You should actually find the root cause, okay. The compatibility is based on the character, right? Probably in olden days it was a little male dominant society, where probably it is not possible for a woman also being dominant and a man being a cool person or somewhat passive person, okay. There could be several reasons behind putting this concept of Kuja dosha for marriage matchmaking, okay. But instead of interpreting the original meaning and the science behind this, by default nowadays people think that, and even the pundits tell that, okay, this is not compatible, this is not the correct method. Why? Because in olden days, when there was no matchmaking, many people did not have this astrology and horoscope matchmaking concept for marriages, okay. All marriages were better than the marriages of nowadays, and we are doing more, we are more crazy about horoscope, but what is the improvement? There is no real improvement in the situation of life, okay. So when the available science is very limited and the interpretation by most of the pundits is very limited, I suggest that people should only use this horoscope or astrology only to understand some important things to a limited extent in life. We should not use it too much to the extent of spoiling the life. We are going against the very purpose of horoscope or astrology, that we have to improvise our lives, but instead we are delaying marriages by 2-3 years just for this matchmaking, and